guys, today I'm going to do my mom's makeup.
So today my son Zaid is going to do my makeup. He's been wanting to come on here and talk to you guys, and we're gonna play with makeup.
I really love mom's videos. Sometimes I watch them on YouTube a lot.
Yeah.
A
So
lot.
you watch my makeup videos?
Yeah.
So you think you're gonna do a good job on makeup, or you think it's gonna look crazy?
I don't know. I never tried this before. I mean, I have, and it went terribly wrong. One time I did mom's makeup, and it looked fantastic.
Yeah, we'll put a picture right here for you guys of the first time that Zaid did my makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I have put everything out for him that he's gonna need, and he picked out all the colors of everything, and then I kind of just put it in order for him. So he's gonna start on one side and then work his way to the end, just to make it a little bit easier for him. The only thing he's not gonna do is my mascara, because if you just saw that picture from the first time he did my makeup, you'll understand why. I'm gonna do my own mascara, but he's gonna do everything else. So we're gonna start off
with the spray.
He's going to do my makeup. So this is the primer.
Yeah.
So we put this on our face first. So you're gonna put it on your hand here. I'll squirt it on your hand, and you're gonna put it on my face. Go ahead. Dot, like a dot here, a dot here. You don't need a lot. You gotta get my forehead, my nose, everything. And you're gonna rub it in. That's enough. This is enough for the whole face. Good? Can you see it anywhere? No?
No.
Okay. So then next, this is the next thing, right?
Yeah.
So what's this called? Do you remember?
Okay.
This is the foundation, right?
And this is the conditioner.
What is this? This is a makeup sponge. All right, so we're gonna put this on here. I'm gonna put it on here for you, okay? All right, so go ahead and what you're gonna do, same thing with that you just did. You're gonna do like dots, and then you're gonna blend it in.
Okay.
Okay, with the sponge. Go ahead.
Dot.
Yep, a dot.
Dot.
You gotta get my forehead, my chin.
Okay.
Oh, you still have product on there, see it? Dot there, my nose. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and blend it in. Go ahead, blend it in.
For this?
Yeah, just take it and blend, or you can pat it if you want. That works too, see how that works?
Also, if you like this video, you should subscribe and comment. You should hit that bell and make it ring.
Make it ring, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, you heard him.
So that the subscribe button is gray.
Okay, make sure the buttons are gray and black. Got it. That's how you know you subscribed, right? And you liked it.
Then Mom always does his videos by saying it at the end, because some of you guys don't watch her videos fully. That means you don't hear her saying like and subscribe and hit that bell.
So you said it now. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
I need to start doing that too, I guess. Does it look good? Let us know in the comments below if you think the foundation blending looks good. Okay, we're moving on. Careful, we're moving on with the next thing. All right, next thing is the setting powder. Careful, this is gonna go everywhere when you open it. All right, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna put it in here for you.
Ooh.
You're okay.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna hold it in my hand, and you're gonna take this brush, and this is gonna go all over my face to set the foundation in. So you're just gonna take it and lightly brush it all over my face, and go in like circles.
Oh, so close your eyes, that way the dust
Okay, go in circles.
You have to make sure that you're being careful with this, because this can get in your eyes. You should keep your window open, that way the thing can get through the window.
It's not gonna hurt you.
I mean, it's gonna get in your eyes. Okay, now let's do...
Next, we're going to do the bronzer.
The bronzer, okay.
So I'm gonna open it up for you.
Wait, which one? Oh.
This one, remember this is the one I told you goes on my cheeks, right here and here. Oh, okay, we're going all in there. All right, yep,
Wait, I need a refill.
You need a refill? You need a
Maybe,
refill.
I'm gonna type, can I tap it?
Go ahead. Perfect, okay. It's all around, yep.
You have to make sure you're watching our video and doing the makeup, so
they can follow along?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, go ahead. Are you done with that? Or are
Yeah.
you still done? You done with that one? Okay, so now we're moving on to the blush. And
Okay.
Zaid picked this one out. This is the blush we're using. Are you gonna use this side, or both of them?
Maybe I should use the
them?
pink on this side.
Oh.
And then on this side, and then I'm gonna mix them together.
Okay, go ahead. Do you. You gotta put it on there.
Oh.
And remember, you always have to tap the brush off before you do it. With everything, you always wanna tap. Yep.
I wonder what they make together.
Oh, okay. It's new. You want more blush? Or are you good? It's okay. No, you want a brush to blend it out here. You can use this. If you need to take this and kind of blend it, you can go like this with a brush.
And then get rid of it?
No, it doesn't get rid of it, but it'll blend it out. See?
Oh, need a refill.
Go ahead. Ooh, careful. Do you put your finger in it?
Look, guys.
Dust it off. Make sure you dust it off.
I got
You
a little makeup on
Dust
my
it off first. There you go. Go
Oh,
ahead.
I can see a little particles.
Go ahead. Oh, make sure you tap. Remember, you always tap them off. Tap it off. Okay, powder. We always tap off powder.
We're almost done doing my mom's makeup, so.
All right. So, what color are you gonna use for the eyeshadow? You need this brush right here, the fluffy brush. Okay, that's kind of cool on the inner corner. I like it. Oh, you're gonna go under? Okay. We're committing to the glitter.
Oh, so you have to make sure your eyes are fully closed.
Yeah.
So you're doing great. You're doing great.
You're doing great. Okay, what's next, Dave? What's the next thing?
I'm checking the camera.
What's next? How do you like it so far?
Looks good.
Looks good. Okay. I look very sparkly.
Okay, Mom, do this.
Okay.
At the end. Oh, wait. Then you on the top, and look.
Done? That's pretty good. Got a little bit right there, but that's it. You did a pretty good job. That's definitely better than the last time. All right, so I'm gonna put my mascara on. Hang on, let me put my mascara on, then you can spray my face. I got my
Now
mascara.
close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your
You're gonna do 5 sprays. Don't get too close to my face. Right here is good. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. One more. There we go. Okay.
Do you
is that
like
it?
it?
This is the final look.
Oh.
Hang on. Sit
And,
down.
and everybody, we didn't forget about the wig.
Oh, you want to pick out a wig? Okay. So this is it. This is the final Zayd look. What do you think, Zayd? Do you like it?
I know I like it. Except the hair is actually covering. What?
Stab me in my eyeball. Here, is that better?
I do that.
Now you can see my pink hair.
Sometimes I do that.
Okay, there. Don't do that. Okay, all right. This is the final look. This is what Zayd did. I think it looks, we have really improved since the last time. And I think even next time you do it, it'll be even better.
I think I accidentally swallowed some makeup.
You did not swallow any makeup.
I
All right,
did.
so like he said earlier, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notifications on all the videos I do in the future. And if you liked our crazy video, give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. And click the bell. I said that. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Zayd, you want to?
Adios, everybody.